Before using your sprayer, it's essential to take a moment to understand the machine, follow important safety precautions, and ensure everything is set up correctly. First and foremost, the EP7285 is primarily designed for spraying AB dual-component materials. And the two-component paint materials can be mixed either inside the spray gun or inside the hose, or sprayed separately with two guns. Different methods require different spray tip sizes. For single gun spraying, the spray tip should be at least X39, such as 539 or 439. For simultaneous spraying with two guns, each spray tip should be at least 27. Using smaller tips might cause excessive motor load and potentially damage the machine. For simplicity, the following instructions will use the method of mixing inside the gun as an example. Additionally, ensure that both hoses are of equal length. For setup, ensure that the Pump A hose is connected to the Pump A outlet, and the Pump B high-pressure hose is connected to the B pump outlet. Ensure that pumps A and B are always kept submerged during operation, as running either pump dry can damage the machine. After proper installation and understanding of the relevant precautions, it's time to prepare for spraying. First, always perform a pressure release before each spraying. First, lock the gun and then switch off the sprayer. Adjust the pressure control to the lowest setting. Now, reverse the spray tip and unlock the gun. Hold the metal part against the side of your metal container to prevent static electricity buildup. Release the pressure by spraying the gun into the bucket, and then engage the trigger lock. And then turn the prime valve to the prime position. With the pressure relief procedure completed, remove the tip and tip guard from the gun. Next, place the siphon tube in the paint bucket and the return hose in your metal waste container. Keep the prime valve to the prime position and turn on the sprayer. Increase the pressure control until the motor engages. Allow the paint to circulate through the sprayer until it flows smoothly out of the return hose. Then turn off the sprayer. Hold the gun against a grounded metal waste container, disengage the trigger lock, then pull and hold the gun trigger while turning the prime valve to the spray position. Turn on the sprayer. Allow the pump to run until paint starts flowing out of the gun. Then turn off the sprayer. Screw the tip assembly onto the gun and make sure it's securely tightened. Now you're all set to start spraying. Thanks for watching, and we trust you'll appreciate the outstanding performance of your HVBAN Airless paint sprayer.